Cool. Am I getting you?
Probably.
If I'm looking at you, I'm getting you? More what?
Toward me.
Turn toward you more?
Yeah. Perfect. I still got the other stop here.
That's why we have that tether line.
Yeah. Premature launching over there. Nothing premature. This'll be the last one. Okay, baby. You having fun?
I am. I'm having a great time. This is a little out of my comfort zone to agree to do this, but it's been awesome.
But yeah, this one right here is usually just gets people who are like, what do you want me to do? I want you to come on down to the edge and have a set. Because usually we have people sit down like this. But since we got shorter tethers, you can't really sit down.
Oh.
You're like, what? You want me to go to the edge? You're like, don't worry, I got you tethered off up here.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
So we looking back for the pick, dude?
Huh?
We looking back for the pick? After we get going?
I'll go a little bit for you. All right.
Four for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
For you. Yeah, so the same thing with you guys. Right when you guys sit down, all this pine trees right here to your left and right, it's gonna open up. It's like 100 feet. That's where he wants you guys to start fishing instead it's still running fast.
Okay.
Okay, so just go ahead. Okay. What was that? Have my friend lean forward when the starfish. He's running hot. Roger that.
Okay, starfish and lean forward. Got it.
Alright, you guys, here we go. I'll get you one clip from the top here. Alrighty, so on the count of 3, you're just gonna do a little pull up on the board.
Okay.
On 1, 2, 3, zip away.
Woohoo! That was a kick.
That's right, huh? Got your contacts?
I don't think I lost him yet. Thank you, sir. Oh, awesome.
There we go.
Some of us don't follow directions very well.
Okay, I can repeat. Come on down. Launch step.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Best half mile of your life there? Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
It was great.
Second step goes very, very fast. About 42 seconds. I think he made it in about 38. Come on